Crazy Superman here, hamster number 7, dropping bomb. Today is a rant, a complaint about this new GoPro camera Hero 4K. I thought it's a GoPro, should be very good quality, but what happened is this camera doesn't have a stabilization. And this is an action camera. Hello? Action camera, you'll be moving around, right? And when I get this, I was like, holy smoke, this is terrible. Because all your video is shaky. And in order to stabilize, you have to use the GoPro Quik App on your phone. But then I process all my video on the computer. So then you have to transfer. First, you have to download the photo, video from phone, from camera to your phone, stabilize it, save it, export it, and then you have to send the file to your computer. And finally, after all the hassle, your video is not shaky. And on the app, it keeps asking you to subscribe, 50% off. Even after 50% off, it's like $30 per month. Just 10 months is $300 US dollar. And once the promotion finishes, it's $60 per month. That's crazy. That's gonna be $720 per year. And this stupid camera is like $200. So this is very, very bad. And the quality isn't that great. It's just okay, not bad. Evening, totally cannot work. Gotta work only in the daytime. Anyhow, I probably most likely gonna refund this shaky camera. All right, ciao.